Looking to enhance your car audio without breaking the bank? These 200W micro-thin tweeters are designed to bring your high frequencies to life with crisp, clear sound. If your current setup feels flat or your highs are buried, this could be the upgrade that changes everything. I recently added these tweeters to my car's factory sound system. The original components were decent but placed low in the door, which muffled the highs and left the soundstage feeling narrow. Once installed, the highs became brighter and more defined, without overwhelming the rest of the music. They're perfect for those who want to add dimension and clarity without turning up the volume to uncomfortable levels. The polypropylene diaphragm combined with a niobium rare earth ferroelectric transducer magnet delivers a balanced, precise sound that's noticeable but not harsh. What's great about these tweeters is their versatility. They come with a built-in crossover and a two-way mount, allowing for easy surface or angled installation. With a max power of 10W and 10W RMS, they're powerful enough to make a difference but gentle enough for beginners experimenting with car audio. Plus, their slim profile means they fit neatly without taking up much space. If you're just starting to explore car audio upgrades or want a simple way to boost your highs, these tweeters are worth a look. They won't overpower your system, and with a bit of tuning, they can bring out subtle details you didn't know were missing. For the price, they offer solid value and a risk-free way to improve your soundstage. Ready to bring your music to life? Try these micro-thin tweeters when you're ready to hear your favorite tracks with new clarity and dimension. They're a smart choice for anyone wanting a noticeable upgrade without the hassle or expense of a full system overhaul.